So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what you can do to get more reviews on your product listings in Etsy. I'm going to show you how you can do that, all coming up next. So welcome back to the video, my friends. If you are new here, my name is Jay, and on this channel I do everything from how-to videos and step-by-step guides, teaching you exactly how to create and sell digital products online. So if that is something you are interested in, consider subscribing to my channel. And at any time, my friends, you are getting value from this video, please hit the like button because that helps out this channel a lot. Now let's jump into the video. So one thing as a new Etsy seller is that you probably don't have a lot of reviews on your store. And sometimes that can be discouraging because you see a lot of people with thousands of reviews for their product listing. And you're probably thinking, how did they get that large number of reviews? So one of the ways you can get more reviews on your new store is by creating a coupon for those who leave a review. I also seen a lot of stores do this early on by giving a raffle every weekend for a customer who left a review. And so customers now are encouraged to leave a review so that they can be a part of that coupon raffle. So the next way you can actually get more reviews on your Etsy shop is to send a personal message for those who actually checked out with you. So this can be done by adding a personalized message with the shopper's name at the beginning and encouraging them to be a part of your community and add their review to your shop. When you let your customers know that their voice have meaning and what they leave will impact others, they are more inclined to review your shop. The next way to get more reviews on your Etsy shop is under promise but over deliver. That means you want people to have a good experience the moment they click on your listing, all the way down to them getting your specific item. And think about ways you can add more value to your product listing that can really give the shopper a better experience. The next tip I can give to you is provide excellent customer service. That means if someone is messaging you about a particular design or a particular listing, make sure you respond as quickly as possible to them. What I found out in my own personal interaction with shoppers is that they really take to heart when you respond quickly to their request. And the last tip I can give to you to getting more reviews on your Etsy shop is to follow up, right? Check on your customers, treat them as family, ask them if they need anything else, provide them even a free service or maybe an additional design for free. This really makes a great impact for someone who experienced you to come back to your store and shop again from you. What makes millions with people is not that one-time shopper, but that shopper who comes back time and time again that buys from you. And this is a great way for your shopper to leave a review on your store. So that is the end of our video, my friends. I hope this was encouraging to you. If you found any value in today's video, make sure you guys leave me a like, as well as subscribing to the channel if you like content just like this. But as always, my friends, I will see you in the next video.